Be gentle. No, be gentle. You give him kisses. Give him kisses. Stand up. Good boy. He's after your hand. Is he nibbling your hand? Hello, Budgie. Don't get too close. You're helping with the laundry. Not you. You never help with the laundry, you just throw it all on the floor. Budgie! You better sure about the video camera. Yeah, there's the budgie. He's on the video. He's not seen the camera before. He's not sure what it is. Oh dear. Sit on my lap. Budgie! It's okay, it's not going to hurt you. I have to get used to it because it's better than trying to video you on my phone. Oh, oh, he's so fast. Zaki, no, don't do that. You're so fast. Good boy. I'm going to give kisses. Stand up then, Zaki. Give him kisses. You budgie kisses. Give him kisses. Kisses. One more. One more. He likes to nibble your ears as well, doesn't he?